Hi guys, today I'm going to look at some grinders and some common issues that I come across that happen to these and see if we can fix them up. We'll see if we can find all of those issues and see if we can get some of these guys going. Alright, so this first guy, that's a pretty obvious one. Broken cord. So you see a lot of those, either it breaks here or it breaks here. And guys using it, it kinks, wires break inside, or they just get cut off. So we'll change that cord and we'll see what the next problem is. Alright, so the old cord's out. Let me make up a new one and we'll try that out. Alright, so I've got the new cord made up. Actually, it's just an old cord that had some damage. I cut off the bad stuff. We keep using these till they're about this short. So I put a new connector on black wire. The white wire is just with the screw in. We're going to install that. So I'm going to start with the white. Slide it into this little connector. Tighten that up. So this will be different depending on what model of grinder you're using, but I use a lot of Makita. I like them. Easy to work on. They last quite a while. So depending on the connector you use, you may have to do like this and just bend it over the way. Get this into the strain relief. Slide this up a bit. Strain relief back on. Alright, so that's it for the cord. We're just going to assemble and test it out. Well, I hope some of you guys found this video helpful. I have to say, even if you follow all of these steps, your grinder could be damaged beyond repair, but sometimes it's worth going through and seeing if you can fix it yourself rather than sending it off to be fixed or scrapping it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like and please subscribe so you can see future videos. Thanks a lot.